Harry and Megan Markle's nuptials have caused royal mania and sent a wave of British trends from across the pond just in time for the start of wedding season. Now, while not everyone can wear the Queen's collection of jewels or get married in a castle, there are plenty of ways to incorporate royal touches into your own celebrations. Here to break down the trends and how to make them your own is wedding and party planning expert, editor, and our author, Darcy Miller. Darcy, thanks so much for being with us.
Oh, well, thanks for having me.
So why do you think that it has just been, like I said, royal mania over this wedding?
Well, you know, everyone loved following William and Kate and always wondered, when is Harry going to get married? And now it's happening, and to an American, and so everyone's just obsessed. And now everyone loves weddings anyway, let's face that. But this is extra, you know, this is an extra spectacle.
Well, we, of course, like I was saying, we want to take some of that and incorporate it into our own weddings. And my brother-in-law just got engaged over the weekend, so I have a personal wedding that I want to be able to give these trends to.
Oh, good. Take out your pen. Time to start taking notes.
Yes. So give me some of those trends.
Great. Well, let's start with the invitation, which is calligraphy. Hand calligraphy, hand lettering is a big trend. And that's something that you can hire a professional to do or even do it yourself. eBay sells calligraphy kits and stamp sets. And I love anything that you DIY because not only does it make it more personal, but it saves you some money. I mean, you have to figure out what the right things are for you for DIY. But if it's not you, maybe you have a friend who has great penmanship.
Well, that is something we can definitely do, and I love that you talk about the saving the money part. What about decor for the reception?
Okay, well, let's talk flowers. The royals love white garden roses, peonies, which are actually a personal favorite of Meghan's. A sprig of myrtle has been a tradition in the bouquets ever since Queen Victoria. So if you want a royal bouquet, throw a sprig of myrtle in. And just anything, I think, with a little bit of gold, whether you're brushing a little gold on the leaves of your bouquet or using gold in the tabletop. I was so excited to partner with eBay on this segment because as I started to search, I found so many beautiful things that not only are perfect for your wedding, but then are nice to have in your home, whether it's, you know, a tiered cake stand, a tea set, a cake knife. That Vera Wang cake knife is actually one of my go-to wedding presents. I always give people a wedding cake knife because they can use it at the wedding and then they can have it after for special occasions throughout their life. Having something that has dual purpose that you can use past the special day is definitely a bonus. And I know what everybody is talking about right now, Darcy, is the wedding dress and accessories. Do you have any trends there for us? Yes. Well, we know the royal brides have worn a lot of lace and an A-line silhouette and more modest necklines. But no matter what your body type is or what dress is right for you, one thing that fits everyone is a tiara. So you could wear a tiara. There's lots of interesting headpieces and different hairpins and things that you can find on eBay, or a fascinator for your bridal party. Would you ever wear a fascinator? Oh, yes. What do you think? Well, actually, since January, the search on eBay for fascinators has doubled. So clearly, you know, everyone's getting in the mood. And again, it could be for your bridal party, or it could be for your guests, or for your shower. You know, you really just want to be more festive and special when it comes to your wedding. Absolutely. We'll definitely go on eBay for more inspiration. Darcy, thank you so much. Great. Thanks for having me. We'll be right back.